Okay, so in this question, as you can see, that we have to find the longest palindromic substring. Like if I tell you example number one, BABD, where the output will be BAB. This is the longest palindromic substring in this case, and CBBD here BB will be the longest substring, palindromic substring. So for solving this question, you are like having the function string longest palindrome, parameter is string s. So initially, if my s dot length, if my s dot length is smaller than or equals to 1, this means that I have only one character or less than that, then only return s. This is the base case, you can say. Now my string LPS, I initialize LPS as a string having s dot sub str 0 comma 1. This means that you're initializing LPS having only one character. Now start loop for int I equals to 0, int I equals to 0, I less than s dot length I plus plus. So there will be the two cases. First, for the odd length palindrome and the even length palindrome. Right now I'll talk about the odd length. So for the odd length, my int low is equals to I. I will take the two pointer low and high and initialize it with the I. Okay. The condition, the while loop will low is greater than equals to 0 and high is smaller than s dot length and s low is equals to s of high. If these are the condition true, then low minus minus and high plus plus. Okay, this is the bounding condition. Like if you are traversing through a string, this string CBBD, so you have to check the termination condition. Low should be in the bound, like it doesn't go beyond the scope. You have to pretty much clear about these things. And s of low equals to s of high, that's why this is the condition after which I can say okay, this is the palindrome. And if it is a palindrome, then move forward or the backward and check for the further cases. Now this happens. Now my string, I'll make a string palindrome is equals to s dot sub str s dot sub str having low plus 1 comma high minus low minus 1. And if my palindrome dot length, if my palindrome dot length palindrome dot length is greater than what, is greater than the LPS dot length, then you have to initialize your LPS is equals to palindrome. LPS is equals to palindrome. Okay, this is done. Now you have considered odd length. Now it's time for the even length. For finding the even length palindrome, your low will get I and your high will start from the I plus 1, the second location. And while my low is smaller greater than equals to 0, and condition high is smaller than s dot s dot length, and s of low is equals to s of high, then you can say that you can move low as minus minus and high as plus plus. Clear? If this is not done, you just move out from the loop, and palindrome is equals to s dot sub str having low plus 1 and high minus low minus 1. Same case if my palindrome dot length is smaller than, maybe greater than, just take the greater than lps dot length, then lps is equals to palindrome, and you should return what? lps. In the last, you should return the lps. This is the public. Mm-hmm. But in my case, sub str 19th. You may get some error, but this is very common thing. If you get error, you have to know how to debug it. Okay, accepted, submit. So this is all done for today. Thank you.